children. Good morning. Hi. Hello. How are you all? Are you fine? I am fine. Are you fine? Okay. I am Sanita teacher. What is your name? Say your name. Oh, okay, good. All of you stand up. Stand up, stand up. Okay. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Okay, good. Hey, what is this? What is this? Yes, this is a ball. And what is the color of this ball? Is it red? Yes, yes, it is red color. Good. What is this? Yes, this is a ball. And color? Yes, yellow ball. Good. Are they same? Yes, it is a big ball. Is it?
What about the yellow ball?
Is it big or small? Is it big or small? Yes, it is small ball. Yellow ball is small, red is big. See, this is a big puppy and this is a small puppy. Is it? Big and small. What is this? Yes, it is an ant. What is this? Ant. Ant. Is it big or small? See, what is this? Yes, it is a big ant. Say loudly. Stand up and say. It is a big ant and it is a small ant. Okay.
Big ball, small ball. Big orange, small orange. Small ball, big ball.